Oh, this is a video. Keep going. Good job. Hands down. What's that? Yeah, I can get Goody. I just got Goody. I just videotaped Carolyn on Goody.
I know, I bet you could do it.
Yeah. You gonna stand around and talk? Let's see your ride there, girl. Yep, hands down. Can't pull back and say go at the same time. Then they don't know. Do you want go or do you want whoa? Super, good. Back tall. Excellent. That looks beautiful, Kaylee. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Why don't you trot around once? Hands down. Say it again. Hands down. You got to put your hands down when you say trot. Oh. Yeah, steer. She's getting out of your way. Heels down. 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 Push down. Good. Hands down. Tell her to trot. Trot, Crystal. Kick her. Come on. You can do it now. You can do it. Kick her. Tell her to trot. Hands down. Don't pull back at the same time. Put your hands on her mane and tell her to trot. Put your hands on her mane.